Il-kok Chris Hammett sa ftit ta' snin ilu kien student tal-Istituzzjoni Edukattiva Kulinarja Internazzjonali Le Cordon Bleu, stabilita madwar id-dinja b'numru ta' universitajiet. Iżda llum il-ġurnata mhux biss huwa gradwat tal-istess università, anzi fetaħ numru ta' ristoranti f'pajjiżna u saħansitra jrnexxielu jġib f'pajjiżna lil kok li kien jgħallmu Eric Bedje. Iżda minkejja li llum huwa xef rinomatu internazzjonali, Eric ma jinsiex li beda minn familja li kienet taħdem fl-agrikoltura u l-produzzjoni tal-ġobon.
It's a very difficult career, it's a very challenging career. You have to be very passionate, you have to give 110%. I think it's all about is people skills. So if you like working with people, you like to give a lot of yourself, of your energy, of your passion for food, and it's certainly something you can create great careers.
Pajjiżna, Eric seta' jara dak li rnexxielu jagħmel Chris Hammett li fl-aħħar sena biss fetaħ 3 ristoranti wara li qatt ta' snin jistudja u jaħdem fir-Renju Unit. Jgħid li pajjiżna qed joffri opportunità f'dan is-settur.
Not only us, but even the whole industry over here has really come up a notch. We are starting to be recognized in Malta as a food destination, and also a lot of new upcoming chefs are making great and exciting things.
Madankollu jiddikjara li ma kienx faċli li wieħed jasal hawn b'diversi ristoranti joffru ikel ta' kwalità. Kien hemm bżonn bidla fil-mentalità.
Well, it's been extremely difficult, but I must say now with an influx of also foreigners coming to Malta, and the Maltese have become a bit more experimental, which is great. People like to try new things more than before. You always have the traditionalists who just want their traditional dishes, and there's nothing wrong with it, you know. First and foremost, my kids love going for the traditional fenkata, bil-bebbush, you know, and it's great that we have that tradition as well.
Apparti li flimkien offrew esperjenza fl-Istitut tal-Istudji Turistiċi, Chris u Eric kellhom l-opportunità li jagħmlu dimostrazzjoni lil grupp ta' żgħażagħ interessati fis-settur.